riots, anarchy. The closest this country has come to a knife edge situation was with the death of Chris Hani. I think we're right back there.
What
And people are just,
information are you privy to, Gayton? Can you share some of that with us?
yeah, I can share with you because people are, yeah, business needs to stay out of this talks. Business has been dominating this talks. Business has been wanting their agenda to be pushed in this talks. Business has been relentless in marrying, in arranging this forced marriage between the D and the ANC. None of them really want it. Believe me when I tell you, I speak to people in the D, I speak to people in the ANC, but business is putting its foot down and say, you will marry, but they don't understand the repercussions.
Uyenzile indaba uPanyaza Lesufi ngokuthi enze inguquko lapha bese faka i-EFF ukuthi beyingxenye yegovernment la eGauteng. Ngikhuluma nawe nje sekunokukhuluma okuningi okwehlukene okukhona. Ngiqala ngale video kaGayton ngoba uyena ochazayo ukuthi i-coalition ekhona phakathi kwe-ANC ne-DA akungoba kukhona abavumelana ngakho or kune-strategic ukuthi bafuna uku-achieve ini. It's not about abantu base-South Africa but baphoxwe ibhizinisi. Makukhulunywa-ke ngebhizinisi kukhulunywa ngama-funders because noma ubani okunika imali yokulawula, noma ubani nje okunika imali yokulawula, ukulawula ngemali yakhe. So ngifaka le video ukuze uma siqhubeka nale ngxoxo uzobe usuyi-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ibhizinisi ayifuni i-EFF eduze kwepower, ayifuni i-MK Party eduze kwepower. That's why i-ANC kwabalula ukuthi ayihlangane ne-DA bakhanda i-coalition. Kodwa kuPanyaza uvele wasuka yena wathatha i-EFF wayifaka kwipower kanti yileyo nto le ibhizinisi engayifuni. Sukuni la izolo iKhaya News esireportele kanje. The ANC Veteran League has raised concern over recent changes to the Gauteng Provincial Cabinet. This includes the appointment of EFF Provincial Leader Kulego Dunga as MEC for Finance. The league has criticized Premier Panyaza Lesufi's reshuffle, warning that entrusting a 179 billion rand budget to Dunga raises serious governance concern. Duma Qubule, economist, yena ubhale kanje. What this veteran league is factionalist. They never complain when the ANC went into coalition with the right-wing DA. Waphumela obala wakhombisa ukungenami ngokuthi kube ne-coalition ephakathi kwe-ANC ne-DA kwaba uSoli Mapayile we-Communist Party. Ilapho i-Communist Party yazathatha isinqumo khona sokuthi bona bazozimela mase kuze okhethweni ngoba i-DA i-against yonke ama-policies we-ANC, wonke ama-policies we-ANC. Futhi i-DA kuyaziwa ukuthi they serve the interest of the whites. I-DA iphila sengathi lezo alinayo history ngathi ayikazi yababikho apartheid. Ingakho nemithetho ebekwayo kuthiwa kuzama ukuthi they try to redress ukuze kulungiseke amaphutha enzeke ekuqaleni be-against wona. Ngibalophi indaba ye-land nayo yonke into ba-against yona. Kodwa i-ANC uma ngabe ikhanda i-coalition nayo wonke la maligi asekhuluma manje asethule akugcinanga nge-Veterans League. Akuhlelwe imashi ezobe ingomhla ka-17 April 2026. Ithi Panyaza resign. Bathi join the ANC Presidential Task Team, SANCO, ANC Youth League, ANC Women League and civil society as we demand Panyaza's resignation for the appointment of the corrupt EFF MPL Nkululeko Dunga and the ongoing funding of EFF and MK Party elections machinery. The ANC under Lesufi declined from 50% to 34%. Coordination's contact details babhalile ukuthi abantu angaxhunyana nabo kodwa lena yimarch ehleliwe. Ilwa nje nokuthi uPanyaza uqoke ilunga le-EFF elilodwa. I-ANC yahle yonke indawo kungani bengakaze batoyitoya kwathiwa uRamaphosa uthatha i-ANC wayithosa ku-51 ku-50 point something wayibeka ku-39 nationally wayengakaze kutoyitoya. Kodwa-ke ingakho ngiqale ngale ya video kaGayton. Inkinga yilabantu laba okuyibona abaphethizwe, ngoba kunabantu abaphethizwe ngempela okuyibona abashaya imithetho, laba abalawula ngemali, ibona abantu abaliphethe lezo. Asiqhubeke. Sinawo Tambo, o-spokesperson we-EFF, ubhale kanje: Fikile Mbalula is a coward of monumental proportions. Instead of coming out and fighting the EFF with his chest, he weaponized the structures of the ANC to fight what he could not win at the negotiating table. An SG who hides behind ANC Youth League and so-called Veteran League, some conducts which led to the destruction of the Youth League of Julius Malema and the Women's League, turning ANC structures into pocket knife of his personal battles. UkaSinawo Tambo umuntu behind yonke lento le uFikile Mbalula. Angifuni ke ngena kulezo ndaba zalaba ababili, kodwa uPanyaza Lesufi ubuziwe ngesikhathi beka kwi-SABC. Ubuziwe impela nga-appointa kwakhe uDunga, waphendula kanje:
Pay any heed to Mayor Xhakaza's concerns, which is why he let Dunga go. What were those concerns? What was the conversation you had with the mayor around
I had
this?
discussions with the mayor.
Yeah, tell us more.
I also had discussion with our national leadership, and we're of the strong view that it will be better to have another political party presiding over that function, and that's why we agreed with them.
That's not the question, Premier. The question is the appointment of a particular individual. Is this person fit for purpose? I think South Africans at this point, especially if you live in the city of Joburg, don't really care who the person is, as long as they're able to do the job that's required of them. Now, there were concerns raised in Ekurhuleni in a similar capacity. In a sense, this is a promotion to a senior capacity in the same portfolio. And therefore, I'm asking, those conversations that you had with the mayor who let him go effectively, what were they? And did he soothe your mind that still, even though this was a political trade-off, this would still be a good candidate?
Iman, that differences doesn't matter. What it matters is capability. What it matters is skill. What matters is talent and political grasp to say, can this person understand the mission that we want? To service our communities, to ensure that we have finances that are in order, to ensure that they can be in a position to also to speak to investors.
But my understanding is those are the very issues.
Yes, I have no doubt that he can. Because it was a MMC for finance. And the differences that they had was not about finances. The differences that they had were political differences. I presided over those discussions.
Right.
I sat in meetings on those discussions. I know why they differed, and I know why he had to relieve him from his responsibilities. And on the basis of that, it's not something that I don't think I can manage. If the executive mayor of Ekurhuleni felt this thing can't be managed, I'm of the view that I can manage it. I mean, I've been in government for too long. I understand these challenges, these limitations. So, and remember, the MEC for finance does not take decisions alone. He's a member of the Executive Council. And the Premier presides on budget allocation and budget expenditure. And it's the Premier that outlines the vision where our finances should go. So it's not something that is a carte blanche. If you chair that portfolio of 170 billion, it means that you'll be the only person and sole person to take decision about it. We work as a team, we work as a collective. Right. But besides, the political party that I come from, the African National Congress, respect partners. So if we invite you to be part of cabinet, you must not doubt your capabilities. It's only when you don't perform that we'll be in a position to raise our limitations.
So what were those reasons then, Premier, that Xhakaza gave you for what the real reason was that Dunga was removed? Because, listen, it's a public concern. Yeah. We want, as we say, somebody who's in charge of such an important portfolio provincially to be somebody, as you say, who is fit and proper. So what if it was not related to his abilities as a financial head, what was it? I'm
the provincial chairperson or co-chairperson of the ANC. I presided over those discussions.
Yeah, what did you say?
We met with the leadership of EFF, and where I stand, those political differences, unfortunately, were not managed correctly. And that's the reason why there was a fallout. It was not about the capabilities, and it was not about the portfolio. It's about how, as a collective, the EFF is conducting itself in Ekurhuleni. And the executive mayor felt that he should be in a position to. And when he took that decision, we supported him because he's part of our structures. But you can't, therefore, when we need to stabilize governance, when we need to stabilize processes of ensuring that we've got a government that can service its own people, we have to look at those things. Right. These are things that I personally believe we can manage them and will continue to manage them. He might have his own.
Xolisa ngenza iphutha ngathi SABC beku Newsroom Africa. Kodwa okuvelayo la ukuthi ingxabano nokungaboni ngasolinye okube khona phakathi kaDunga kanye noMeya uChakaza. Akungoba uDunga engawenzanga kahle umsebenzi wakhe. It's not about umsebenzi but it's political differences. Usho njalo uPanyaza. Akukho la athi khona cha nangu uDunga wanikezwa le portfolio mismanage imali kwabanje cha. Akuyona inkinga into leyo eqhathi EFF kanye ne ANC ekuruleni. And uthi presided over those negotiations and over those talks. Kwakhulunywa uyazi ukuthi labantu there are political differences. Akungoba uDunga engenzenga kahle futhi aqinisekisayo uPanyaza la ukuthi uma uMEC wefinance awuthathi inqumo wedwa. Kunabantu sebenza nabo. Hayi ukuthi ngoba ezonikwa le portfolio e173 billion rand usezothatha inqumo yedwa. Kodwa ke sibone okungenami kuvela endaweni ezehlukene. Kwakhona nje ngeviki eliphelile emveni kokumemezela kwakhe uPanyaza uFloyd Shivambu Africa Mayibuye nabo baveza ukungenami ngesinqumo esithathwe uPanyaza Lesufi ngokuthi abafaka uDunga lapha kuleya position. Sabona even ama-journalist ebuza ukuthi unamapha ama-qualifications. Waze wathi uPanyaza kwenziwa yini ukuthi uma ngabe kumlungu onikwezwa iposition noma yiphi kungabuzwa ama-qualification. Angiseze ukuyifaka leyo video ngoba ngiyifakile ngokudlula. Bengithi nje angikwazisa ukuthi izinto zibuka ezingekho zinhle lapha for uPanyaza. Unele nje wafaka i-EFF. Ayi sewavukile manje i-ANC sihlukene phakathi. Kodwa mina ngiyazi ukuthi ayikhonkoti nethambo. Manje umnikazi wethambo mayengathi ngiyalithatha lungisani ngoba abayifuni MK Party, abayifuni EFF eduze kwepower. Abayifuni. Yingakho sibona kunje. Cela ukuzukuphala kwakho la comment section. Ngale kwalokho mntana wabe sesidibana kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga.